are in the Middle East, I know you recently moved to the Middle East. What do you think the potential is for the Middle East and Saudi Arabia in particular in forging economic growth?
So I'm just very, very optimistic about how the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is going to impact the planet. I'll just give you a quick sense on that. There are only 3 countries on the planet that Honeywell thinks as independent regions. And Saudi Arabia is one of them. It's been China for many, many years. There was India, and then it is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
There is no other country on the planet
Well,
that we
just
consider
shows how much potential
that
you
we
think there
consider
is.
as a big region. And if you just look at the timeline, India and China happened in the 2000s.
Yeah.
And then now Saudi Arabia that we have called out, because I truly believe in the next 10 to 20 years, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is going to be central to many of these megatrends on the planet.
Yeah, and for you at Honeywell, where do you think the growth is going to come from? From the private sector? Are you working with the government? What's going to drive the growth?
All of the above is the way I would say it, because I think we are so central in terms of big investments and drive a lot of the economic construct. So if I take the example of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I think really would marvel at seeing how the Vision 2030 is getting implemented.
Yeah.
That's a very strong statement from the government that provides clear direction to everybody. And then, of course, private capital gets involved to realize the vision. So I would say it's a combination of the two that will happen. And it's true in many other parts of the world. The degrees vary as to how the government policy and private capital come together in making it happen.